Okay, so today I'll be teaching you how to install action files in your Photoshop. Okay, I have my action file ready here. So if yours is not showing here, just come to your window, click this action. So we'll have it this way. Now let's go to where we have our action files. So I have my action files that I created here. Look at some. So let me come here. I copy and go to my installation folder, which is my Photoshop installation folder, and move to my program file, Adobe, Adobe Photoshop. So move to preset, and here is the action. Then I will paste it here. Here is continue. Now I have it here, but for now it will not show here because we need to restart our Photoshop. So let's close and come back again. So let's wait while the Photoshop comes up. So when the Photoshop comes up, we have our action file there. So most of the work I'll be doing with action files. And if you're interested in the action file, you can drop your comments. So I'll drop a link where you can get the action file. So let's do new. Okay. So these are action files showing here. So we'll come here like this menu icon here. So this is our action file here, double light photo action.